Looking for a door that's not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your home or office. WPC doors are made from a combination of natural wood fibers and plastic polymers, resulting in a door that's not only strong and sturdy but also visually appealing. WPC doors are an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor use, as they can withstand harsh weather conditions and require minimal maintenance. WPC doors are highly durable and resistant to scratches, dents, and moisture. They're also resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage, making them a long-lasting investment for your home or office. WPC doors are easy to clean and require minimal maintenance. They don't need to be painted or stained, and they won't warp or fade over time. WPC doors come in a variety of styles and designs. From traditional to modern, they can be customized to match the look and feel of your home or office, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your space. WPC doors are made from recycled materials and are 100% recyclable, making them an eco-friendly choice for you. At Zonle Doors, we offer a wide range of WPC doors to suit your needs and preferences. All doors are made from high-quality materials and are designed to provide you with years of reliable use and aesthetic appeal. Choose Zonle Doors for your WPC door needs and enjoy the benefits of durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal.